Hi, today I'm making hamburgers and cucumber salad. These Lipton beef onion burgers have been a tradition in my family for at least 15, 20 years now. I start with the Lipton beefy onion dried soup mix, a quarter cup of onion, a quarter cup of green onion, and maybe 1 to 2 cloves of garlic chopped. 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and I'm going to then add all of my ingredients into the hamburger. So there's the soup mix. I'm going to add my chopped garlic as well as my onions to the hamburger meat. And then I'm going to sort of mix that all together. And so once all of the ingredients are mixed, I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper and garlic powder as well. So about a half a teaspoon of each. And so as you can see here, I'm making sure that all the ingredients are mixed well. And then I actually sit this aside in the refrigerator covered for maybe about an hour. If I'm doing a barbecue overnight or that kind of thing, I might leave it overnight. I then form my patties into healthy sized burgers, a little bit more than a fist. And so that's what makes them special in my household, is that they're large, juicy hamburgers. I then also toast my hamburger buns, and I use a little bit of garlic oil in my pan and just sort of lay the buns on the pan until they get a little crisp brown, like you see here. And then next, I'm going to, while my hamburger is baking in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, I then start making the ingredients for my cucumber salad. So I have here a chopped half of about an 8-inch cucumber, so about 4 inches. And then I have 6 cherry tomatoes that I've cut in half, and then about a quarter cup of sliced, or not sliced, but chopped onion. I add salt and pepper to taste, mix them in 2 ramekins, and add my favorite Italian salad dressing. Next, I'm going to prepare the fixings for my hamburger. So I slice a tomato, I have a sliver of red onions, as well as 2 pieces of butter lettuce. I like that. And then I'm going to add sharp cheddar cheese to my hamburgers because that's my husband's favorite. Drain the fat off of the hamburger and then place them on the bun, and they're ready to serve with the side cucumber salad.